Alright guys, so I laid out all the parts that come in the Rough Country lift kit, and we're going to go over them to make sure that we have them. I've already kind of overlooked it. I think we have everything. The kit is not that complicated. So this is our parts list, right? So we need, let's see. The only thing I didn't understand is why there's only one brake line bracket, which kind of drops the brake line or puts in another spot. Why is there only one? There's 4 brake lines. That's weird. So we have rear sway bar links, which are those over there. So we have 2 of those. Track rod bracket, which is that right there, where I'm pointing the end of the paper. Rear shock bracket, yeah, and there's 2 of those. Those are over there too. Bump stops, and there's 2 of them. So those are over there. We got those right there. Bam, bam. Front shocks right there in those boxes. I'll show you guys those in a second. The non-torsion bar bracket. There's 2 of those. They're massive. They're right here. I'll show you guys. Get it out of the package. So this is it here. And what you do with these, from what I was reading, torsion bar, is you bolt this to the knuckle, or maybe? I don't know. Something like that. I gotta check it. But you gotta drill a hole and bolt this down through it. And this becomes your new torsion bar thing. I don't know. Okay. So we have both of those. Bam and bam. Skid plate. Our skid plate. It's a pretty good skid plate. It's kind of, I don't know. This stuff is pretty heavy duty. The only thing that kind of wasn't is like these CV spacers. They're plastic. I can see those kind of maybe breaking over time. Especially with load like you get. I mean, if they were, okay, these go on the inside of the axle, right? So this is your axle. They go on this part, and your differential is right here. They go on this part. If they were on this side and the wheels over here, I think that they would have more of a chance to break because there's more leverage twisting them, you know. This thing is twisting. There's going to be more leverage out here than there is here. So they might be okay because they're on the inside, but it's just kind of hokey to me that they're plastic like that. I mean, it's not a $2,000 lift kit. You know, if it was, these might be aluminum. That's the only thing I can say. And, you know, stuff like that. Look at that defect. I don't know. You know, the boxes wouldn't have come all open if it was a $2,000 lift kit. I don't know. But it wasn't. So you get what you get. So we have those spacers, CV spacers. Both new knuckles for the truck. These things are so heavy. Oh my god. So these are the new knuckles. They look of good quality. You know, the castings are kind of rough, but the coatings aren't bad at all. It's a part number, I'm assuming. So we have those. We have our sway bar links for the front now. So the big ones are for the back. Small ones are for the front, I think. This is for our torsion bar. This is our non-torsion, non-torsion drop sleeve, whatever that is. This is to, so this is our diff bracket. So what you do is you cut the diff bracket off that's on there, and then you bolt this one on. You do have to do a little cutting in this kit. This is the diff bracket here. So we have that. What's that other one right there, though? What is that? You guys see what that is? What is that? You know what that is? What the hell is this? No idea. I don't see it on here. Bump stop. Sorry guys, I'm trying to figure out what the heck that is. Am I just missing it? Is it for the skid plate? Is that what that is there? You see those little ears sticking off? Maybe it goes with the skid plate somehow or something. I don't know. Yeah, maybe we'll have to figure it out and we'll start putting it on if we got extra pieces. That's not good. All the hardware. Yeah, you can see these bolts. Some of them they're pretty good quality, man. What would you call them, a grade 8 bolt or whatever? I think that's what they're called. Don't quote me on that though. I'm not a professional bolt reader, but I think they would be called grade 8 bolts. You know, and ones like this would be called, I don't know. These are for the CV, but see how they have pre-Loctited them? That's awesome. That's great. Here too. It's so cool. It's actually a pretty good kit. So that's all that stuff. We have all that. Also, what I don't see on this photo here or in the list is these. What are these? I mean, the only thing I can guess is it's a drop bracket for the rear. Ow. Shocks. Sorry, brain fart. Okay. So these cross members, these things are super heavy duty too. Wow, I can't believe how heavy duty these are. They're so heavy. This one's nice. It says RC on it. That's the front one. Do you guys think I should paint these? These, because you'll see these from under the car, especially this front one here. This one here, you'll see this from under the truck. It's not going to be very visible if it's black though. Do you think I should paint this? Or even just like, I don't know, the RC red or something? I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. If you think I should paint this, I'm going to do it. Let me know what color too. It's got a nice powder coating. All these parts are nicely powder coated. And, you know, that's one of the good things that you're not going to get rusting, you know. I know this kit's not super expensive, so, you know, what do you expect? You get what you pay for type of thing, but you're not going to get rusting with these nice coatings that they have on them. I mean, these are nice coatings. I was looking at them. We'll look at the shocks in a minute. I'll show you that coating, but your bearing surfaces, this is where your wheel bearing bolts into. I mean, it's nice. No complaints so far. We'll see how it goes on, but because I can't afford to pay somebody to do it, I have to do it myself. So these is the springs for the rear. Now you can see how nicely coated they are. I mean, that's a nice coating. That I think it's great. Yeah. Earlier I saw where they right there. See where they had it hanging in the powder coating machine. Oh. So you have it hanging up. That's so cool. These things are massive springs too. Just massive. Let's measure them. Hold on. Alright guys. So our springs are... I can't find my tripod. 21 inches tall. That's almost 2 feet tall. These springs. These things are so sick. 21 inches tall. Look impressed too a bit. So, okay, yeah, that's nice. All the hardware here. This was a kit here. These are bump stops. Maybe they bolt like this, would be my guess. They have a hole in them for draining or something. I don't know. They're bump stops. That's all they are. Not nothing crazy. It's just to stop you from... Alright, let's check out the shocks. These are really awesome. Hold on, guys. God, I wish I could find my tripod. It actually might be in the trunk. Okay. This is the shocks. They're nice, huh? Nicer than I thought they would be. Rough country. They're in 3, I think, or they're in 2. I think it's in 3. It's That's what it says. I can't really tell what it says. In 3 maybe. In E, I don't know. But yeah, these things are nice. They're big, heavy, beefy shocks. I'm gonna have to buy shocks for the front of or for the rear of the Tahoe, because if you guys remember, my Tahoe has a air ride on it, factory air ride. So I'm gonna set you down. You can still hear me. So you have to remove that. This kit is not compatible with the air ride. But if you want to lift a fully loaded LT Tahoe, well, they have air rides, so you're gonna have to take it off. The Z71s don't, but all, you know, Z71s don't have full leather interior either, most of them. So yeah, and I really like that interior. I think it's nice. I love my heated seats. So let's see. So we marked everything off. We have it. I checked everything. If you guys can see my little hillbilly scratch marks, see them? Bam! Bam! Just kidding. Okay. So we have everything we need. We just need the time. So not this weekend, I work. Next weekend I'm off. Hold on a sec, guys. Okay, guys, so the weekend we're gonna do this is the 10th, 11th, and 12th, I think. That's the weekend I'm off. I work this weekend, I'm off next weekend. This month is a short month. There's only 28 days this month, so I'm going on vacation at the end of March. I really wanted to wait to do this till then, but I don't know if I can wait. I'm so excited. So we probably won't. Here's my little scratch marks. Now you can see them. So even though the boxes came kind of tore up, you know, you can't really... I was thinking about it, and it's hard to kind of get mad about that, you guys, because, you know, these parts are heavy. I mean, I'm not kidding you. Heavy. One box, the lightest box, the guy was saying was 50 pounds or something. I mean, these boxes, these parts are heavy. You know, even this skid plate, just the skid plate is so heavy. You know, I'm a grown man. Of course, I can lift it with one hand, but most people, it's like, my daughter, she was trying to lift that one spring. She was playing with it. She was just like, she couldn't even lift this one with 2 hands. And she's 8, going on 9. So, yeah, so we have everything. I need to figure out what some of the parts are, like these here. I do not know. Here's a better look at those CV spacers with the light on. You can see how plastic they are. I don't know. I mean, tell me what you guys think. You think that's junk or what? I hate how there's like a defect there. Oh well. The cross members, you can see the kind of pitting on them. I think that's more to do with the coating, though. This coating is, yeah. But you can see the inside where the bearing stuff goes. It's nice and smooth, so that's all that matters. Oh, and also in here, they send a rough country decal. That was nice of them, wasn't it? Look, I'll take it out. You want to support rough country? Oh, you guys aren't even able to see anything. I totally. Well, anyways, that's a rough country decal. See it? And you peel it back. It's just a white one. It's nice of them they did that, so that's cool. This kit was so inexpensive compared to other kits. We'll have to put it together. We'll see how easy it is to install it. That's a big one. And how well it rides, you know? To be honest, it could be super stiff or it could be super squishy. Kind of want an in between. I'd rather it be stiff than squishy, that's for sure. Because I didn't lift it up to, you know, make it feel like it's on airbags. I don't want that. So I'd rather it be super stiff, but I'd rather it be neither if it can be. So we'll check it out, we'll see. It's going to be fun though. I can't wait to start making videos on it. I just want to install it now, but you guys know, as I showed you, there's just so much snow out there. Hold on a sec. Let me, okay. I'm sorry, I need 2 hands. there's so much snow, and where I work on my car, just over here. Oh, the Xfinity guys over there. Yeah, that's where I do it. Not gonna be able to happen. Bam! I can't wait to lift this up. Look at that wheel gap now. I think it'll be way higher. Okay. Well, thanks for watching, you guys. Say bye, princess. Say bye. Thanks for watching, you guys. I can't wait to install that. Like I said, not this weekend, but next weekend. I always say it, but YouTube's jacking with my channel again, so I hope you guys enjoy my videos. They don't get shut off or shut down. You know, I'm like the most nicest person in the world, friendliest person in the world, and then they're cutting my channel like I'm like a criminal or something, so whatever. There's people who have way more subscribers, but they're rude and obnoxious, and they still get their videos up. So, all right, thanks for watching, you guys. Enough ranting. I don't want to make it about that. I will update you, and you know, there'll be a video between then. But so we have all our parts that we need. We need one thing, is a friend to come help. I'll make some calls. I wish one of you guys lived close. You can come help me install that pig. We could probably get it done in like a day if it was 2 or 3 people. But I'm gonna try to find John to help me. If John can't come help me, I'm gonna be El Screwdo. But it should lift that Tahoe up pretty good from what my pictures are. And another thing is, on YouTube, there's no videos of installing that on this year Tahoe at all. Not even Rough Country has one. So we'll be the first video of installing that lift kit on a 2000 to 2006 Tahoe. Thanks for watching, guys. Much love. I'll see you later. Bye.